What's poppin', dogs? Mr. Allen here. We got to find the axis of symmetry and the vertex of this quadratic function. Now, this quadratic function is in factored form. So the easy stuff to get would be my x-intercepts. It's crossing at 3, 0 and negative 7, 0. No big deal. But finding my vertex and axis of symmetry, I got to do a little bit of digging for that information, right? Now, sometimes it's helpful to draw this up, and you don't have to draw it up every time, but to get a visual at first, it can be very, very helpful. So it's crossing at positive 3, as we said, as well as at negative 7. And I'm going to have a positive quadratic. It's going to be a U shape, right? It's going to look something like this. And I'm trying to figure out where this guy is right here and the equation of my axis of symmetry right here. Well, it would make sense that it's smack dab in the middle of those guys, right? You know, symmetry and things. Yes, absolutely. Axis of symmetry should have some symmetry going on. Mind blown, yes? Okay, well, to get between those two, we could just average them. Negative 7 plus 3 over 2, that's going to be negative 4 over 2, which is just negative 2. So that means that my x-coordinate of the vertex is negative 2. Still got to get my y. And my axis of symmetry, that bad boy is going to be x equals negative 2. So I've got one of them done. Woo! Woo! Make sure that you always have it as x equals. It's the equation of a line. It's not just a number. All right? Dope. Moving on. How in the heck do I get my y coordinate? Well, if I have an x coordinate, any x coordinate, and I want to get a y, it doesn't matter what x coordinate it is. If I want to get a y coordinate, all I do is plug that bad boy in. So I'm going to plug this in, and I'll get my y coordinate of the vertex. When I do that, I got f of negative 2. That's function notation saying, hey, we're plugging in negative 2 into this function. And I have 2, and then we have negative 2 going in, minus 3, and we have negative 2 going in, plus 7. So I've got 2 times negative 5 times positive 5. So I get negative 25 times 2, that's negative 50. There we go, negative 50. Whoop. Lovely. That right there is pretty dang dope.